Okay, vertel
Yeah.
vir my wat wil jy
Okay.
create in
Okay.
jou
So,
community?
so I'm a carer in the UK. I
Okay.
started the breast cancer school, but at this stage, I've just thought it's going to be free. It's just for people to go on and say what they want to say, okay,
Okay.
or to have a community. But I've started my own travel agency
Mm-hmm.
called Vacation Travel, and I was wondering if school can help me with that.
You said, okay, now I know. You said about the two cruise lines, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Cruise will probably be my main, yeah, what I want to specialize in. Cruise
Okay.
and then safaris.
Mm, okay. Those are two very separate niches though. Like
I
I
know,
understand
I know.
because like also you have to keep in mind like there's no shortage of travel agencies, right? So
Yeah,
they're everywhere. So if you wanted to create something, it should be, I believe, very niche. So I like the idea when you say it like, okay, for these two cruise lines. So it's very specific. It's a group of
right,
people that want to go on this specific cruise. But now if
right.
you add safari in there, how are you going to bring that together? Because
Okay,
now
then
it's not
let's,
just the cruise people. Now
yeah,
it's a whole different niche.
yes. I think just leave the safaris then. Let's just see how school can help because I've got a Facebook page called Vacation Travel.
Okay.
And I've been trying to do things there to promote my business. Um, I've also got a bracelet with flags on, which is I use for affiliate marketing. But at the same time, after talking on ChatGPT, I can incorporate that in advertising my business, saying, "Look at all the countries I've been to. When were you going to start your um, bracelet?" And going on a cruise, you can actually visit a few countries on one cruise. So you can add like two or three charms,
Yeah,
kind of thing.
that sounds awesome.
Yeah. So that's but how do I do the school platform for the cruise?
Well, you're going to have to still do marketing for that. So
Yes.
you're going to create a social media platform specifically for that, what you're doing. And then you're going to talk about what you're doing and you're going to tell people to join your school community. And then once they get into your community, you can share with them like how to book, where to book, how much the thing is, all the things.
Okay. I will on the school community. Okay. I will do you see, I don't know how I'm not sure how it's going to work because I must do the research for them. I mean, if you say to me, Verena, I want to go to the Caribbean, I have to ask you a million questions before I can put together a plan for you, you know?
So what you can do is you could already prep those things ahead of time and then you put it in your classroom and it's like, okay, if you want to go on this cruise, you have to fill in this questionnaire. If you want to go on
Yes,
this, you have
okay.
to fill in this
Okay.
questionnaire. So that you can
Okay.
do with Google Forms. It's free. And yeah,
Yeah.
you just have to create it once. And you can also on the Google form connect it to a spreadsheet so that whenever somebody submits, it's already on a spreadsheet. You don't have to handle anything. Like it's
Okay.
already there, you got all your info in one place.
Okay. Okay. I get that. Where does the money come from? So it's not going to come from school, it's going to come from me booking the trip.
Yeah, so you can charge, say for example, I don't know how much you're charging for trips. Like how much would it be roughly? So a
Let's
thousand
say,
dollars for the trip, right?
yeah.
So you charge $1,000 for the trip. So what you do is you add a classroom section and you say book your cruise, right? And then when they click the thing, they need to pay the $1,000. So they basically pay school the $1,000, and then you take the $1,000 and you go and book their thing or
Okay.
whatever it
Now
is.
I can't work like that. I'll tell you why. Because I fall under IntelliTravel. IntelliTravel is my host agency. And I do all my booking through them because they are APTA and ATOL protected. I, as an individual, don't have that protection. So the school is only going to be, I have no idea how I earn money there for travel. Because I have to get them direct. I must get them to me and then book them on IntelliTravel through that platform, because that's where the payment links are. That's where they get the protection, the insurance. That's where I'm able
Then how
to
do they
package
pay you usually?
I get commission from IntelliTravel.
So the people are not going to pay you anything, so you don't sell anything. You are an affiliate for the company.
Yeah, in a sense. In a
Okay.
sense. Yeah.
So school is really great if you're selling your own stuff, or if you can, you
Okay.
know, like, I don't know, you can, no, but they're not paying you. So, I mean, that doesn't make any sense.
So
The reason
my
I
other thing
recommend
is,
school is because it has the lowest transaction fees in the world. So, but if you're not selling anything, then I don't know.
okay, no, I hear you. That's why I'm still mulling all this around, because I don't know school well enough. But here's another thought, because
Mm-hmm.
my main aim is to no longer be a carer, to work remotely only. So I'm a qualified financial planner, a qualified South African financial planner.
Okay.
How do I have a financial planning page where I can send people, young people, how to save for retirement, older people, how to look at their investments, protection insurance, to give advice on that?
That you can build a community around, because
Okay.
that's your
Okay.
knowledge that you're putting into a digital product, either in video format, PDF format, however format, and you sell that through school. So I am
Right.
actually in a community very similar to this. So I already know that you can do it.
Yeah.
The lady literally also, like, but she's in the US, and she's talking also about, like, nobody taught you how to work with your money, where to invest, what to do, all these things. So there's already communities like that. And I'm sure she's not the only one. So, and this is definitely like where the crowds that you are in right now,
Yeah.
all of them need this,
Mm.
because nobody knows. Otherwise, they wouldn't have even maybe, been in digital marketing
Yeah. Yeah. If
had
they had
they
the
known
money.
how to work with their money or
Yeah.
something.
Yeah. 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 Okay. So I'm definitely gonna look at that, because that was a passion of mine. Also, the tax implications of various things. But I will make it South African based, because every country is different. Their rules and regulations are different.
Mm-hmm.
So although I will not say I'm not giving advice, I
Well,
am
I
only
need this
giving
community too.
facts. Okay.
I need this community. Can we just get started already? Can I tell you another thing now that you're talking about the tax and things? This is another great selling point about school, is that
Hmm.
basically when you are needing to do your taxes and things, you don't have a billion invoices of everything that you have sold and all your customers and all your affiliates, and you don't have to worry about that, because school takes care of all of that. You have 4 invoices a month. So that's the only paperwork you have for your year, is those 4 invoices every month. How good
Okay.
is that? And
Yeah, cool.
5, because 1, you're also paying your account, and then 4, unless you do yearly, then it is literally just once a year you have 5 invoices.
Hmm. Hmm. So what are those 5 invoices?
So basically, all your income, all the money that you got in, everything that's been sold through your community, and then also maybe if you are buying stuff on school as well. So basically, all your expenses.
Oh, right.
Mm.
Okay.
But
And
now
how
if you're
much?
selling stuff, like if you have products that you're selling and you're offering an affiliate on it, which I highly recommend to do with anything, basically, um, you don't have to worry about that, tracking it and having contracts with all your affiliates and all those things, right? It's just all taken care of by school.
So when you do affiliate marketing,
Mhm.
say like this bracelet that I do, I mean, I get £12 for $12 for everyone that sells. I've already earned 200 and odd dollars on this bracelet just by putting it on Facebook.
Yeah.
How would that work in school? Would I have to do a school platform just for the bracelet?
Well, tell me again about the bracelet a little more.
So the bracelet is a company, I ordered it because I wanted to, okay, so that's how I never did it for affiliate marketing. So I ordered the bracelet and then I ordered the charms to every place I visited. And when I did that, they sent me a link, which I put into a Facebook post one day. And then one day I got an email to say, oh, you've got money. And it was this company called Exchange Life. And only then did I realize this was a link,
That's so
an
cool.
affiliate link, and I had earned $12 and I did nothing. I just showed on my Facebook page this amazing bracelet that I love. So that's how my interest came into affiliate marketing. And so I have kept doing that. I put it on my travel Facebook and on my personal Facebook and on Instagram. And then I'll put the link. So I'll say, if you want one, just click on this link. And then they go straight through to the company, do the purchases. And then I get an email from the company to say, oh, yes, $24 for you,
No, I wouldn't say you need a school
Um,
community for that.
yeah.
Because, yeah, again, it is an affiliate.
No. Yes.
So it's great. Post it. Keep posting it. I mean, because you add the link with the post so people can directly go and buy that. You don't have to have a group for them.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. This is why I'm a bit confused with school. I'm not quite sure how it's going to help me, how I can make it work for me, barring perhaps now the financial planning.
Okay, what are your concerns? Why don't you think it would be working? Or can you give me more details on what it is that feels unclear?
Well, what else can I sell, you know,
You
on
can
a school
basically
platform?
sell anything through the school platform, anything digitally. So anything. So you basically want to sell education now, and that is what school is literally created for. I think the name kind of gives it away, right? It's a
Okay.
learning platform. So anything that you
Yeah.
can teach people, you can sell through school.
Okay. So then I should focus on the financial planning because,
If you know
yeah.
other stuff that's valuable information, that would also be a good thing. But yeah, start with one thing and then grow that.
Would
Because also with
would you then,
school, sorry,
yeah?
go ahead.
No, I was going to say, would you have different school platforms for different things? What if I wanted to focus on caring?
Yeah, I would definitely keep that separated because somebody that's
Yeah.
interested in travel is not going to care about caring.
No. And somebody who's interested in financial planning isn't going to
So,
worry about
yeah,
caring.
exactly.
Yeah.
So that would be good to keep it separate. But I
Mm.
also would not recommend to create too many things all at once, right?
Yes.
Start with one, grow it,
Yeah.
because you're going to see kind of a trend of how to do it. And then
Yes.
once you have a little experience with the platform and you know now how it works and you see money is coming in,
Yes.
then you can
Yes.
create another one. A lot of people create school communities actually, and then out of what they then create a paid community. So this is like their lead magnet at the end of the day, the free community.
Yes. So that's going to be I think my cancer page is probably going to be my free community lead magnet, maybe. Hopefully.
Yeah, but now that is for a different thing again. That is a completely different thing. I'm talking about once you now created a community and you started making money, or well, it's a free community to enter, but you're selling stuff in there and you know what works, you have an audience, and you know you can sell them something better, or maybe give them a monthly subscription or something like that. You could remove them to another community so that it's like an exclusive community.
Oh, okay.
for this specific thing, not
Okay. Okay.
like,
I'm
yeah,
sorry. I
yeah,
misunderstood. Okay.
okay.
So if I start the financial planning,
Mm.
I will have to put a lot of work into it to get all the videos and whatever in whatever formats. So do you help with that? Is that what your course is about?
To create my school course.
Yeah.
No, it doesn't help you show you how to create your own things, but I can recommend you what you can use. I created my whole course with Loom. So it's a free video recorder that allows you to record up to 5 minutes. And you get 25 videos to start off with. And then if you refer people to them, you get 25 more videos every time for free.
Oh, right.
So
Okay.
that's pretty cool. I can send you my link and then I get 25 videos.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, so
Loom
that's
video.
very cool. Otherwise, you can just use also Zoom. Well, if you don't even have to have a video, you can do Zoom, you can share your screen, you can record it, and yeah, I can. You could probably just book a call with me and then I can take you walk through with all of this.
But what is it that you're selling?
So what I'm selling in my school course is basically the actual setup of the community, the structure, the build, the strategy behind why it's structured that way, how to basically how to do the whole setup and all of that. I can show you. Wait, let me share my screen. And I'll show you what is in there. Okay. Oh, there we go. That thing finally finished loading. What's going on now? What is this? Wow. Don't know what happened there. Okay.
I think it's gone to someone else.
All right. So in the school course, I have the start year, which is I give you my ecosystem prompt. So basically, this is a prompt that you plug into ChatGPT, and this is where you go back and forth and discuss what is the best ecosystem that you can create. Not just your launch plan, but your whole long-term plan. This is what this is going to help you with. And then the 3-phase launch, like what do you need to get ready? What goes into your marketing, all of that before you actually launch, and then just your prep sheet of what you need ready the day that you create the community. Then I show you what is an onboarding process, like why we have this start here and how this actually works. And then how to name your community to get discovered. So how to use, like, because school is a search engine, right? A SEO platform. It's like YouTube or like Pinterest. So people
Yeah.
come on here searching for specific things. So I just show you there about that. And then this is just my link to sign up. And then this is the course of the actual setup, like set up the community, the about page setup, like how to actually do that. The school settings, the school models, like which one makes sense for you. And then affiliate commissions and analytics, course setup options, all of these things, right?
Yeah.
And then also a CRM tool so that you can keep track of things in your community. The bonus also has a couple of calls in, and then some tools that I give you. Oh, this is like a software, right, for a bot for your community. So this basically like integrates with your community, and then your community members can ask it questions, and it's very accurate. It's pretty cool. Yeah. And then when you want to, there's also this training that I did. So this is basically once a month, we have a community call for everybody that I've helped start their communities is welcome to join this call. So it's just like a coaching call, or we are catching up, you're getting feedback, you're getting help to move forward in your community building. And then this is going to basically be uploaded then every week, not every week, every month, there's going to probably be another call added. Okay. And then if you want to scale your community, then I invite you to, like, once you've grown now, you started making money, you want to make more money, work less, then I invite you to come and learn with me with Ryan.
Okay.
That's where I'm getting coached. So that's what
Okay.
you get in here, all for free when you use my affiliate link with the $99 school plan. But if you do not use do not get the $99 plan, then this course is $97 once off to get
So the
access.
$99 school plan, explain that to me.
That is a monthly fee that you pay each month to use the software to host your community.
It's the school community, the school software.
Yeah.
So how is it possible that I've got school, the cancer thing, and I don't pay anything for it?
Well, you probably signed up and you got a free trial, but 2 weeks later you should have paid. What is your community name?
Cancer Warriors. Cancer, it is no CANCR and then WARRRIORS. No, not ES, just RS. There I am. That's, yeah.
Okay, so what you can do, quickly check on your community over here, click on this settings gear.
Okay, let me just minimize your. Okay, just give me a second. Onto settings.
And then
Waar is settings?
hierso by die drop down hierbo.
Wag, laat ek net gou teruggaan. Sorry. Ai, jene tog. Wag net. I've now lost you totally.
Okay, so let's go to school and then I'll just guide you.
I'm in school.
In the top left corner, right next to the word school, there's a drop down. Or next to your community name, there's a drop down, like a arrow pointing up and down.
Yes. Got it, yeah.
And then click on the settings gear.
I just want to do this. And then click on, no, Cancer Warriors is up and down. Let me just try and open your screen again. Okay, just go show me where you went. I'm watching your screen now.
I click the drop down and then I click on the settings gear here in the search bar.
Okay, all right, let me just go back here. All right, I'm there. Sorry, being a bit stupid.
Do you see your community on the list?
Yes.
Okay, click on this word settings on the bottom.
Yes.
Okay, and then at the bottom, click on billing.
Yeah. Okay, your next billing date is May the 3rd.
So you are paying.
Get 2 months free by upgrading to annual. So if I say click on manage subscription, how do I know what I'm paying? View payment history.
It does.
Oh, I'm paying $9. $9.
With the $9 plan, the transaction fees is 10%. So I do not recommend that if you're selling stuff on school. If you're selling stuff, you have to pay $99. Then you get a 2.9% transaction fee, which is the lowest in the world, I believe.
Okay. So 99. Oh, okay. That's another consideration now. $9 was fine for me.
And then also on the on your community, you do not have this dashboard showing you where your traffic is coming from. Like this is all blurred out for you, I believe.
Yeah.
So this is some very good stuff to know. This is also what makes the $99 plan awesome. It's knowing where your traffic is coming from so that you can spend more focus there.
Okay.
You can even see the visitors where they are coming to visit your page from.
Mm,
And
mm.
this gives all, I don't have all on here, but it has YouTube, TikTok, all the things. It has them all.
Now, okay, so if I want to do the night, what do I do with you? If I get the link through you or what? Explain again.
Yeah, so you will use my affiliate link to
Yeah.
sign up for a school account, and then you will pay school as normal every month, and then school will pay me a 40% affiliate commission.
And then I get your course for free.
Yep.
But what happens to my original? Then how do I get my cancer page onto the new school thing?
What do you mean?
Well, I don't want to lose all the communities I'm part of, like my cancer and brand within a brand and
No, that's
all
all.
that.
It's all on the same. You're doing it on your same profile. You're just using my affiliate link to create another community on that same account. It's gonna be on,
Oh, but
yeah,
okay.
it's gonna be on
Okay, now
this.
how do I cancel the $9 one?
To cancel the $9 one, it's also gonna be by your billing, I believe.
Okay.
And then manage subscription, and then you could cancel subscription.
Okay. 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 Okay, well then send me your link. Let me do it then like that and then do the course through you.
Okay. So let
Um,
me grab that affiliate. And then if you are also seeing people out there in the real world and they don't know about school, you give them your affiliate link and tell them, come build your business here on school.
Yeah.
And then
Okay.
they can come and learn also.
Okay.
And then, yeah, if you bring them, they can still, you can take that affiliate commission, but then you let them buy my course if they need help.
Yes. 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 I'm not Verna. See, I'm Verena.
Oh, okay. There we go.
I'm not. Yeah, it's Verena. There I am. Verena Mason Camp.
E-E-R.
En
There we go.
Verena. Yeah, that one. That's me. Mm.
Right. What did I have here now? Yeah, this is the link. Okay, so I
Okay.
sent that screenshot also to the wrong place.
Okay. It's
Sorry.
okay.
Oops.
It's okay.
Show
I'll
you.
try and sort out my laptop or whatever's going on with Zoom. I will go and have a look at the link. I will look at doing the financial planning and then doing your course.
Okay, awesome.
I will be in touch with you. Okay.
All right, let me know once you've signed up and then I can give you access to the course because it's not automated.
Yeah. Yeah. No,
Okay.
it's cool. No, it's fine.
All right.
Okay.
Also, do you have any other questions? We have still
No.
5 minutes before we get cut off.
Oh, yeah, no, it's actually fine. I'm gonna go make my lady tea now. No, I think this is, thank you. You've given me a lot of clarity around what I needed clarity on. I now need to just get my thoughts together and where am I going to put my focus, because I am working full time. So I need to build my side hustles, which are going to become the full time, but I've got to build them in the time that I've got. You know what I mean? So
So I just want to let you know, you do not have
yeah.
to pre-create everything before you create the community, right? All you need
Okay.
really
Yes.
to start your community, because you can build it out with the community.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Because then they also feel part of it. So what you can do, all you need ready is just your graphics for your community, since you already set one up, so you know about what is the pictures that you need, and then just a welcome post and a start here section, just your onboarding. That's all you need ready. The rest of the things you can build out, record, create while you are building the community.
What would the onboarding essentially be for financial planning?
I would always recommend having a thing where they introduce themselves, and then you could
Yes.
maybe ask them something on topic to answer
Okay.
the community. But
what
keep it easy,
financial problems.
simple. It should be like people shouldn't have to think or do effort to get that done.
Yes,
It should be
right.
super simple. It's just to get them into your community culture, just to engage a little. Because once you've
Yeah,
been active in a community, you kind of stick there.
yeah.
So that's what you want. That's the
And
purpose.
now the last question I want to know is the System IO. I know that's completely different, but that's your email, supposed to be email funnel.
Yeah,
How does that link with school?
it
How
doesn't.
do you,
You
it
don't want to
doesn't?
use System.io with school because school, they actually have a thing that says they penalize off-platform transactions. So basically, transactions would go through System. You can, though, use a opt-in page link, right? And captures people's emails. Actually, you can ask their email at the entrance of your community, and then you can plug that into System, and then you can keep them in your newsletter. That's totally okay. But yeah, for sales, I wouldn't recommend
Okay,
using a funnel.
okay. And would you recommend System IO for an email funnel?
Yeah, definitely. Definitely.
Okay.
Inside my
Okay.
tech conference course, I go a little bit deeper into this all in System.io. It's like all about System.io.
Okay. 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 Lariska, thank you very, very much for the time. Let me get all my ducks in a row, my thoughts together, click your link, do what I need to do. And then I want to talk to Erica. Erica Lotz is my sister.
Yeah.
Yeah, just have a good old chat with her too. And then I will go from there. So you'll hear from me.
Okay. Awesome. It was
Okay.
lovely chatting with you. Sorry
Yeah, I'm
about my
sorry you
mistake there at the beginning, but
no,
you saw even like the whole story person, all of it, I had it wrong.
it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I'm sorry about the video. It would have been great to, that I know you could see me because I'm
Next
quite a
time.
visual person, but at least I can see you.
Okay. Awesome. Well, we'll chat
Okay. Okay,
again.
my
Let me know
girl.
how it
Okay.
goes.
Yeah. Thank
All right.
you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.